Assalamu alaikum dosto. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Absolute Technologies. I'm Sohail and today I'm unboxing this new iPhone 14 Pro Max which I have recently bought from abroad. And I will unbox and I will tell you uh, the prices and how you can save your amount on Apple iPhone Pro Max, PTA charges like taxes and everything, how you can save in Pakistan. The people are in Pakistan, shopkeepers are costing you a lot of money and they are taking a lot of profit from it. So, first we unbox and then in the next video I will show you uh, how you can save this money and you can buy mobile phone at a good price. So let's start. I have the box of iPhone Pro Max. It's 128 GB and this phone. I recently bought it. This is the original Apple iPhone from Apple Store. It's not purchased from the shop. It's in its original packing. In Pakistan, most of the shopkeepers repack your phones and they sell the used phone as a new phone. So let's unbox it. When you unbox, you seen the phone like this in your box, and I unbox it. It's packing like this. Let me power it on and configure. I have already configured this phone and now this phone is turned on and this is the original Apple iPhone Pro Max. This camera and everything. This is the side. These are three type of phones you have in the market. In Pakistan, most of the phones are double eSIM. They are US based. The US based phone have all two SIMs in eSIM. You cannot put physical SIMs in American phone, which is US based. In Hong Kong phone, you can in Pakistan you can put both physical SIM. They don't have eSIM. And in this model, this is a UAE model. In this model, you can have two options. The third one, which is in Asia from UAE and Gulf cities, countries. Sorry, it's around one is physical SIM and the other one is your eSIM. So you have two options here. So I think it's the best choice, but it depends on you on what type of requirement you have. So this phone cost me around if I calculate it's 1 month old. So it's cost me around 4 lakh and around 15,000 and with PTA charges in Pakistan. And I have saved around near about you can say 1 lakh rupees from the Pakistan market. Now it's most expensive now due to dollar exchange rates on daily basis. So in next video I will tell you the prices and conversions and what kind of taxes you can save abroad and what most saving you can do from this phone if you have any relatives abroad and you can buy phone through them if you cannot buy yourself from abroad. So thanks for watching for my video and please give your question. You have any question in the comments and you need any kind of help for buying the phone and other things from abroad, or any kind of help I can do for you, for good tips to you for buying the phone in this next video. So keep watching my videos and please give your comment and like and subscribe my channel. So thanks a lot once again.